This is for all the squids that don't know what's up. GoPro 11 Mini. The BMC TPU printed mount. It's like $15. Get an Impulse RC Apex frame. Tough as shit. When you crash, the camera is locked in. Got it? Quit fucking around. Next, get the fucking stubby BTX antenna. Whatever control link you want. And get T-motor, flight controller, and ESC. So the ESC controls your motors. You want good motors, right? Well, you want a good ESC. That equals a good tune because of the fucking frame. Low vibration. Helps you with your tune. Squids, listen to me.